What's up, Cloud Gang? So, hope you guys are doing safe in quarantine. And, today, I'm gonna be, putting some coilovers on my friend's, STI. So,
and you can't see that.
yeah, so today I'm gonna put some coilovers on my friend's 2018 STI. I just gotta move my car out the way real quick and then I'll call him over. Now we just wait. He should be on his way over.
Alright, got me. Make some pepper, boy.
Good to know yours actually came out.
And I'm ballin', that's why it's diamonds on my jersey. Slide on outside and flip the block back, yeah.
Now y'all fed up and niggas coming back for everything. Rock stars, niggas, watch the news, they burning cop cars, nigga. Kill another nigga, break the law and cars.
Is that it right there?
Eternal PTSD.
Nigga go knock on the door, be like, oh wait, I think she thinks me.
Hey, bro, we gotta finish at 2:42.
Fuck that 240, bro.
Nah, nigga. Hey, would y'all give up on my car?
No.
And why would you give up on the 240?
Pick up a little bit, but not that much. She said,
I got the receipts too.
What, nigga?
No, wait, what?
What?
You wanna what?
I'm saying that.
He's a minor. Nah, cause that'll be a lot of good clips. Close up with the car. Good pictures as well.
Yeah.
That's very crazy. I get
I gotta get some stretch tires, some spacers in there. Have it like tuck. Yeah. You gotta really roll the stairs out though for that. Yeah.
cozy in here. My mom didn't want me to get this car, but I was like, since I'm paying, can I not get it? She's like, these moms are so overprotective.
Just overprotective.
Yes, the moms.
Yes, always the moms, man.
when I lowered it, just like let go now all the way slowly, start gassing and letting go of the clutch at the same time. So put your foot on the gas and start gassing like a little bit slightly. Now let go of the clutch. Let go of the clutch slowly and gas at the same time. Keep gassing and now let go. Good now. Yeah, there you go. And it's gonna be easier on other cars, promise. If you know it, if you learn on this car, you'll be straight on any other cars. Like SI's clutch is so soft. I drove a 370Z, same. It's around the same as this STI. Like if you learn this car, you'll be good for most manual cars. Let's go to second. Press the clutch in. Don't put a lot of gas. When you go into second, slowly just put it in second and let go of the clutch slowly.
Okay, okay.